Hello, in this video I will talk about how to insert a hyperlink in Excel. So to do that, you just type in, for example, here is the link to a website, okay? Okay, so I want to add a link to this one. You just go to Insert. Then there is a link option over here. Then you can link to a document. So for example, you select this one, click OK. When you click this link, it will go to open this document. Or you can input the website here. For example, you said google.com. Okay, so if you click that, it will open. Let me close that again, and when you click that, it will open google.com. So how about I want a link to a shell of the Excel sheet, okay? So let's see, here is a link to a shell, okay? Same thing, you go to Insert, Link. Then you select the second option, Place in this document, okay? So you can see the sheet 1 is this one, and I have the sheet 2 is a picture sheet, okay? So if you want this link, go to the sheet 1, and which cell it is G14. So you put G14 here, okay? Doesn't matter it's capital or not. So when you click that, it will go to this cell. So if, for example, at sheet 2, sheet picture, you have G9, if you want to go to different one, okay? So here is a link to another sheet, okay? So same thing, you just select the shell, and you go to the link again, select the second one, and go to the picture, and put the shell number, okay? If I remember correctly, it's G9, okay? So when you click that, it will go to another picture. Okay, so that's how you insert a link to Excel. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye.